friends and cruisers. This is it's probably gonna be just a quick and boring vlog, just number 2 in our hurricane series. Not much is really going on. It's Sunday, September 1st, around 1 o'clock-ish. Our first vlog was on Friday. Saturday, nothing was happening because the storm shifted a little more north and not so much east, which is perfect for us because that is supposedly will just kind of skirt along the coast. It's not making us out of the clear, but it's certainly a lot better than having a direct hit, which it kind of was before. Here, this is, if you wonder where we're at in Florida, we're on that little, I hope you can see with the glare, that little blue dot there in the center, roughly around where it says Kissimmee. We're just a little south of that. So we're about an hour and a half ago, they put us under a tropical storm watch. So you can see it's heading on, it's forecast to go a little more north. It's going to be hitting the Bahamas probably like right now, which is pretty bad. It's like category 5. But yeah, I mean, we're still going to get a good rain and wind event, which is what I said I thought it was going to do Friday. So, but still, that's still, you know, even tropical force winds are pretty, you know, nothing to laugh about. So I just finished up bringing the stuff in outside. And first, before I forget, let me say thanks to everyone who's been sending us messages and leaving us comments. It's been really appreciated. You guys are all awesome. To know people are sending us well wishes and thinking about us during the storm. I know there's a lot other people in the cruising community specifically who are also in the path, who are even more along the coast. You know, that we're also sending our well wishes to them. So, but I want to get that out of the way, and thanks. And a lot of people have been hitting our Facebook page. All those links should be below. You can just search Scott's on Deck on Facebook and join our page there. Same thing. So just a real big thank you and appreciation to that. So, all right. So yeah, I finished up the front and brought all the lights and all that little stuff in, which kind of ticked me because I noticed these lights I bought not too long ago have just like started chipping. I know they weren't the most expensive things, but I bought $3 ones that lasted years. This only lasted a couple months, so while I have some time off, and I'll probably just repaint all these. Maybe I'll even powder coat them. I don't know, we'll see. But that gives me something to do to waste time. That's one of the worst things, is just waiting, because it's supposed to hit us today. When I made that vlog on Friday, this storm was supposed to hit us today, but it's slowed down and curved and whatever. So now it's not even, we're not even supposed to feel anything significant until Tuesday night, maybe. That could be even going into Wednesday. Which I hate, because it always seems when these storms come in, they always come in at night, which sucks because you just can't, you know, obviously you can't see much what's going on, and it's a lot quieter outside and inside too, and you just hear the wind. It just, mentally, it's more of a you know, kind of freaks you out more. At least you can see it during the day. You say, oh, okay, it's, you know, but yeah. Yeah, somebody's big ball just flew by. I don't know if you caught it on camera, but that was odd. Which is the other thing. A lot of people aren't even packing any of their stuff up. Who knows, you know. But we went to the store yesterday, and oh, sorry, a neighbor stopped by. As I was saying yesterday, we didn't do much on the house or anything, but we did hit the store again. Just our regular weekly grocery trip to make sure we had dinners and food and stuff for the next few days. Oh, there it is. There's the ball flying down with the wind. It's pretty windy out there right now. I don't know if that's related to just the outer edge of the storm or just a normal, you know, who knows. I wanted to pull the drone up and just get some footage of the area just to put it on our Facebook page. I run the Facebook page for the neighborhood. But anyways, yesterday we just went to the store to get our regular stuff, and the store is like business as usual now because the storm turned. Everybody was kind of like So plenty of water, plenty of food, plenty of everything, which the day before wasn't the case. A lot of the gas stations were out. I went to the gas station just to top off her car, and people, it was insane. I'm just sitting there waiting in line, about 2-3 cars, and man, people are getting out, arguing. It was just insane. I just turned my music up and I don't care. But so anyway, so today, the rest of the day, I'm just gonna clean up the little outside stuff. I've just been doing some general yard work. Yeah, so right now we're just kind of in a waiting game. Like I said, it's a pretty boring vlog to make, but just wanted to put a little update out there. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean up the little rest of the stuff we have. I need to make I mentioned in the last vlog on the front porch, I have a power strip out there, which, let's take a look real quick, which gives juice to my cameras and batteries and all the stuff I have. See, I have my nice little sign here and stand I made, and then I have a power strip back here which goes into our outlet plug. And I need to just, I mean, this doesn't weigh anything, so I need to bring it in, but I want to keep everything powered, so I wanted to make a dry box, which I've done before around the house, because you can buy these things, but they want 20-30 bucks for something this size for a piece of plastic, and yeah, I'm not doing that. So I'm just gonna cut 2 holes, or 1 on each side here, and stick it in there, and it'll be absolutely fine. I mean, I wouldn't submerge it in water or anything, but it'll keep the blowing rain out. So yeah, so that's pretty much all I'm gonna do today. Maria's inside, she's just straightening stuff up inside. I'll go in there, see if she needs any help. But yeah, today we're just gonna clean up. It's kind of a normal day. Tomorrow is holiday, Labor Day, right? Yeah, Labor Day. So I bought some burgers, and we're just gonna grill out like any other day and just keep watching the news and watching some of these apps here. This is the My Radar app for iOS. I think there's an Android version too if you're on Android. It's real nice, actually. It's pretty accurate, stays updated. They always update the app to fix stuff and stay updated. So I think it's a couple bucks for the ad-free version. Well worth it. It's even have it for Windows. I have it on my laptop. So yeah. Again, check in with us on our Facebook page. We'll just be hanging out there, and again, thank you for all of the support. You know, I don't think it's going to be too bad here. I know a lot of other people are going to have it a lot worse than us, especially in the islands. So yeah, if you don't mind, hit that subscribe. Give us a comment if you're in Florida. Tell us where you're at. If you're in a worse path for it, if you're more down south or along the coast. I know a couple of our cruising friends are. So I hope everybody's getting ready one way or the other, food and getting your house ready. So yeah, maybe I'll next vlog, maybe I'll probably not tomorrow unless something significant changes in the storm. So Tuesday I'll do a vlog, maybe even a live stream on Facebook, because we're so close to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube where we can do live streams and such. So that's another reason if you can subscribe, it really helps us out. But yeah, so we'll give some updates Tuesday. At least Tuesday, I guess we'll have a lot better understanding of when and where it's gonna land, or you know, get affected by it. So all right, we're gonna do that. So again, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching this quick vlog, and we'll see you in the next one.